we're going to talk about how to join a Zoom meeting. If you have been invited to a Zoom meeting, you most likely have gotten something that looks like this. Well, you're going to see how to invite people. You might have been given something that looks like this, which is a URL. If you click that, that will take you to join a Zoom meeting. This will, if you enter, it takes you to Zoom's website, which is zoom.us, and it wants me to open the Zoom app because I've installed the Zoom app. But assume you don't have Zoom, you've never gone onto Zoom, and you just know you have to join a meeting and you don't know what to do. If you go to Zoom's website, zoom.us, on the right-hand side, you see join a meeting. You cannot host a meeting unless you have a Zoom account. They do have free Zoom accounts that you can host web meetings for free, but they only last 40 minutes. So if you want to play around with Zoom and you have to join, then you can certainly do that. The other thing that you can do is you can go to join a meeting. If that link didn't work or you're not quite sure, the meeting number is this part right here. It's this number. It's a 9-digit number. Let me, 1, 2, 3. No, it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe if I could count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-digit number, same as a phone number. How about that? And it's always just a number, numeric number. I would click join meeting and I could enter the meeting ID. When I click join, Zoom wants me to download and run their software. But there may be cases that you can't install software on the desktop. If you can click right here and this will launch the meeting. This will launch the download. This will launch the download. Oh, this might not. This will just launch it in browse. And then you see down here, if you cannot download or run the application, start from your browser. If you're running late, you don't have time to download it, you can start from your browser, and that will load the meeting. When you go into the meeting, let me mute myself. When you go into the meeting, it's going to say, do you want to join with a phone call or with an audio call? If you join through the audio call, it's going to use your speakers and your microphone on your computer. If you don't know if you have a microphone or if you have speakers, then you want to join through a phone call. If you do know that you have a microphone and speakers, then you can just join through the computer audio. If your internet is slow, then you may want to join from a phone call because Zoom may be using bandwidth and internet to connect, and it might be slow. So phone call is always a best bet if you're not sure if you have a microphone or speakers on your computer, or if your internet might be slow because you have everyone home right now trying to homeschool or trying to work from home. Those are the two ways that you can join. Through the desktop is one way, the web browser is another way, and then the third option, let me go back to Zoom. Okay, well, here's, if you minimize Zoom, that's how you get back. So the third option is Zoom app. There's a Zoom app for Android and Apple. I'm sure there's one for Windows too. And you can launch Zoom. I guess it would have made sense to have this up before I started this, huh? So the Zoom app will pop up and it will see that there's a join. If I go to join the meeting, then I have to, again, type that meeting ID at the very top. The meeting ID is the same one that's right here. So it's this 530 number. So I just type it. Once I have enough, so before I didn't have enough digits. And once I have enough digits, then this button turns from gray to blue. I can also say, don't connect to audio or turn off my video. If you are connecting on your web phone or on your mobile phone. Oh, God, that's weird. Let me turn my video off. Okay. So, oh, look. So this is how it looks. I'm going to stop my video. Stop my video right there will turn red. I haven't joined through audio yet. So see how the join audio looks like that? I have to tell it whether or not I want to dial in or call via device audio. Dial in is going to bring up my phone dialer and dial the number for me. Call in via device audio will use my 3G, 4G, 5G bandwidth and automatically connect me. That is the easiest way to get connected quickly. When I'm muted, it is red with the line through it, and my video is red with the line through it. I can share my phone screen if I needed to for some reason. I can also see, these are all me, all of these people connected. And I still have the mute all. I can invite people from here if I'm the host. I can chat and I can also see people. Now, if you are using the mobile app, most times your microphone is automatically muted because you're out. And you don't want to mess with, yes, yeah, sure. Click mute. Listen. Bethany, what do you think? Oh, unmute. Listen. Talk. So here, if I sorry, I can't do it. If I tap to speak, it unmutes me. This is just an easy way to not have to, because those little mute things like hide, they're at the bottom, but you're like, where'd my buttons go? Where'd my mute thing go? God, look at all of my faces. There I go again. So, can I turn it off? Stop video. I'm leaving the meeting. Magical leave sound. So, if you're connecting to a Zoom meeting, 3 options. Desktop, download, do it ahead of time because you have to download something and run an installation. Browser, you need to have the link to connect to the meeting automatically or know the meeting number, and then you can just type the meeting number, 10 digits, like a phone number. Mobile app, you can just get connected through the mobile app. You need the link again or the meeting number, and you can just type and join that way. But if you're going to use it on the desktop, you need to download and install it. If you're going to use it on the mobile, you need to download and install it. If you're going to use it in your browser, you don't have to download anything, and you can use it as quick as possible. If you have any questions, let me know.